Good morning, everyone, and welcome once again to Naples Motorsports. My name is James Seeley, and I'm joining you today with a 2007 Ferrari 599 GTB. Once again, one of my favorite cars, and I say that about virtually everything we have here at Naples Motorsports. But specifically with this car, I love the lines on it. From the front spoiler, the way it flows around the outside, with the horse proudly displayed right in the center, to the hood. When you move to the hood, I love lines on a hood. You have right down the center, raised proportions, and then also the reverse style hood scoops. Just give it a really unique look. One of the things up front, it does have the Bi-Xenon headlights, so great visibility with the car. Going to take a little side profile here. We'll get into a little more intricacies on it, but just looking at this car, first of all, you do have the factory original wheels, staggered, 19 in the front, 20 in the wheels, rear, set up obviously for handling. You do have the Scuderia shields that match obviously the Ferrari emblem in the center as well. Red calipers ties into red exterior color, also red deviated stitching inside the car that we'll get to momentarily. From the side, this car just looks like it's going fast at all times. I love how it flows from smaller to larger proportions in the rear. It kind of gives you the wide haunches of the back. When you move up, you'll see in front of the wheels, you do have functional airflow to help with handling dynamics. And I'm having a camera guy move up here to the top because this is a little misleading. It actually has airflow passing here, which gives it a really unique design when you look at it from the side or when you look at it from the rear. There's not a bad angle on this car. From the back, once again, it's Ferrari. You've got the rear diffuser. It's going to help with your handling, airflow passing over, underneath, create that downforce. Once again, the Ferrari prancing horse in the center. Ferrari traditional rear headlights, quad-tipped exhaust to help that 611 horsepower flow through the vehicle and out. Come in on the driver's side, which is obviously one of the best sides. Tan interior, absolutely gorgeous. Got the red piping around your Daytona seats. Was an option on this car, so nicely optioned. As you look around inside, you're going to notice in the center area here, you got the carbon fiber center tunnel. As you move around, you've got carbon fiber on the dash around the gauge area. These are all things that were options for Ferraris. All the 599s did not have that. Another thing with this, when you move the seat forward, you do have carbon fiber seats. And if you look in the back, just a quality finishing touch of a full leather wrapped luggage compartment area. We are going to move up front now. This vehicle is equipped with a 12-cylinder, as I told you, 611 horsepower, 438 foot-pounds of torque. It is the Ferrari ENZO derived motor. Chassis number there, 599 GTB. Now, another thing, this large motor, this vehicle does not feel front heavy. I'm going to get my camera guy to come around to the side. Notice where the motor is, and if you notice, the front axle, a lot of vehicles, the motor would be in front of that. Here, it is behind, so it's called a front mid-mounted V12, which all ties to handling. Slam on the brakes of this, you're not going to have a nosedive from a front heavy car. All right, so that is the 2007 Ferrari 599 GTB with only 6,000 miles here at Naples Motorsports. I'd love to show you the vehicle some more. Come down, listen to it, drive it. Ask for James Seeley, Naples Motorsports. You can always reach me anytime, 7 days a week, 24/7. James Seeley, 239-330-4689. Thank you and have a great day.